Hi everyone, it's me Emily again. Welcome back to Vietnamese home cooking. How do you normally cook and eat your New York steak? Have you ever tried it stir-fried? If not, try this recipe next time. I bet you'll love it. You know why? It's because my sister and I had tried it and we loved it so much we couldn't put our chopsticks down until the plate was empty. Alright, let's get started. For the seasonings, we will need oyster sauce, sugar, mushroom seasoning, black pepper, olive oil, fish sauce, soy sauce, and sriracha. New York steak, onion, orange, red, yellow mini bell peppers, and a shallot. And don't forget the garlic, or the cilantro, and of course, green onions. First, we will cut the green onion into fourths and put it aside separately for later use. Then, cut half of a sweet onion into wedges. For the mini bell peppers, we're going to cut the stems off, slice them in half, remove the seeds, and cut them into strings. We're gonna cut the shallots, then chop them into small pieces. This is about 10 to 12 ounces of New York steak. We are going to cut it into cubes. Put the meat into a bowl along with the shallots. Now it's time to marinate the beef. Add 2/3 tablespoon of sriracha, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2/3 tablespoon of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of mushroom seasoning, 3/4 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and mix it well. Once the meat is mixed well with the seasonings, add in the onions and bell peppers, and continue to mix them all together. Now that everything is mixed well, we are ready to cook it. Heat up the pot and add in some olive oil. Add in the garlic and stir it around until the garlic is golden. Add in the meat and vegetables. And stir it fast on high heat. Cook it for 5 to 8 minutes depending on how well you like your beef to be done. When you think your meat is done, turn off the heat and add in the green onion. After we add in the green onion, stir it for another 30 seconds and remove it from the stove. Now that it is cooked, transfer it out into a plate, garnish it with some cilantro, and voila! You are ready to dig in. It looks good, doesn't it? will it taste much better. That's it, everyone. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like this recipe. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss a video. Bye-bye!